Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today's video is all about making money with Spreadshirt as a beginner. If you're interested in making some extra cash from home, then this video is perfect for you. In this video, I'm going to share some tips and tricks on how to get started with Spreadshirt and make money as a beginner. Plus, make sure to check out the link in the description for the best way to make money from home. First things first, let's talk about what Spreadshirt is. Spreadshirt is an online platform that allows you to create and sell your own custom designs on a variety of products, including t-shirts, hoodies, and accessories. Spreadshirt handles all of the printing, shipping, and customer service, so all you have to do is create your designs and promote your products. To get started with Spreadshirt, you'll need to create a shop. It's completely free to set up a shop, and Spreadshirt takes care of all the technical details, like hosting and payment processing. Once you've created your shop, you can start uploading your designs and customizing your products. Make sure to spend some time optimizing your shop and products to make them look as professional as possible. Once you've set up your shop and created some products, it's time to start promoting them. Spreadshirt provides some basic marketing tools, but it's up to you to drive traffic to your shop. One of the best ways to promote your products is through social media. Share your designs on your social media accounts and encourage your followers to check out your shop. You can also try running ads on social media platforms to reach a wider audience. Here are a few tips to help you succeed on Spreadshirt. Tip 1. Focus on creating high-quality designs that are unique and eye-catching. Tip 2. Keep your shop and products up to date with the latest trends and styles. Tip 3. Experiment with different product types and designs to see what sells best. Tip 4. Don't be afraid to promote your products aggressively. The more you promote, the more sales you'll make. Tip 5. Always keep an eye on your analytics to see what's working and what's not. That's it for today's video on how to make money with Spreadshirt as a beginner. Remember, creating and selling your own designs is a great way to make some extra cash from home. And if you want to learn more about the best way to make money from home, be sure to check out the link in the description. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.